Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. It's a big day of data locally with our fourth quarter 2024 GDP result out later this morning, preceded by the Fonterra half-year result. Either may have market-moving implications. But a few minutes ago, the US Fed released its latest monetary policy review and projections and the dot plot indications and forecasts, which suggest they see higher inflation in the year ahead, now 2.7% there from 2.5% at their last estimate, and a smaller economic expansion, now 1.7% from 2.1%. They also expect higher jobless rate in the US. They see 2 more rate cuts this year. 9 of the 19 policymakers expect it to be in the 3.75 to 4% range by the end of 2025. But at this meeting, there was no policy rate change. In contrast, the Atlanta Fed's GDP Now tracking suggests the US economy is now contracting at a 1.8% rate. Apart from the pandemic period, that would be their worst since the GFC. Across the Pacific, Japanese exports rose 11.7% in February from the same month a year ago, and this was their second best rise since December 2022, and much better than the 7.8% rise in February 2024. And the Bank of Japan kept its short-term interest rate at 0.5% during its March meeting, maintaining it at its highest level since 2008 and in line with market expectations. And the World Meteorological Organisation's latest report for 2024 is a sobering read. New Zealand may be situated in a climate sweet spot, but that isn't the case for almost all our trading partners. Carbon dioxide levels in the planet's atmosphere are now at an 800,000-year high. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.28% and up 1 basis point from yesterday at this time. And the price of gold will start today at just on $3,034 an ounce and down a net $2 from yesterday. And oil prices are up 50 cents at just $67.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just over $71 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now just on 57.9 US cents and down 30 basis points from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie were unchanged at 91.4 Australian cents. Against the euro also unchanged at 53.2 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 67.2 and 10 basis points softer. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.